If you have a smartphone, you have an asset, but the problem is how we can use the smartphone as an asset. That's where the problem is. So if you're someone who wants to earn from your smartphone, or you just want to make money online, I believe this particular video is going to help you, because I'm going to give you 7 ideas that can help you use your smartphone as an asset so that you can be earning from the internet into your mobile money wallet or into your bank account every single month or on daily basis. So be part of this video, and I believe it will definitely be helpful to you. So let's get started. So idea number 1 is blogging. So blogging simply means writing articles on the internet for people to read, like maybe to entertain them or to help them get some knowledge. So putting content in the form of writing on the internet for people. But what most people do is that now, if you want to follow the old way of writing and all that, people might not follow you. So what you have to do is to get what attracts people to, read stuff on the internet and all that. So what are some of the things that attract people? Now, TikTok is a very powerful tool that people are using. So if you see a trending video of a lady or a trending video, a viral video of something that's happening, you can actually write about it and post it on your social media pages. Now, the reason why most of us, we don't make anything on the internet is because we are looking for fancy ways to make money on the internet. But if you want to start blogging, there's no need for you to go and create a website from scratch and all that. You can start blogging from your Facebook page. Create a Facebook page, start writing what is trending on TikTok, start writing what is trending on Twitter, and definitely people will start engaging with your content. One secret also is like marriage content or relationship content is what is actually selling the most, and entertainment. So actually you can do more research about this and start blogging. I believe this will definitely be helpful to you. So probably you might be asking that how can I make money through blogging? So how bloggers make money is that, especially if you are starting on Facebook, for instance, is that you have to build followers up to some point, like 10,000 followers. 10,000 followers. Then after that, Facebook will give you the chance to, monetize your content. Then from there, they'll be paying you. But apart from Facebook, if you probably have the website, if you are writing on a website and something like that, the website have to get some number of, you have to get some traffic to your website first. Then after that, you can, allow Google to monetize your content. So the more people are reading your content, the more you'll be making money. So basically, that's one way. But sometimes, let's say you're not using Facebook page, you're not using your own website. People also use a third-party platform. For instance, a platform that is just created for anyone who can write. So what you do is that you go there and apply on that platform, and then if they approve you, then you start writing articles. So you just choose a category and then you start writing over there. I did a video about how to start writing on Scopa News, and I believe you can check that video out. It will give you a fair idea about what I'm talking about with regards to writing on third-party platforms. So number 2 is digital marketing. So digital marketing simply means online marketing, and online marketing simply means what? Promoting stuff on the internet for people to come and do what? To come and buy a product or a service. So it can be your personal product that you are promoting, or you are promoting other people's product. Okay, so that's basically what digital marketing is all about. So if you sell someone's products, you can start earning a commission, or if you sell your personal product, you can start earning profit. So basically, that's how you can use digital marketing to start earning. So all you have to do is to learn what digital marketing is all about. And I did a video about how you can learn digital marketing for free. If you didn't learn the digital marketing, it will be tough for you to actually go in there and start doing things on your own. So you can check out that video. It's going to be in the description, where you can learn free digital marketing for free. You learn digital marketing for free from Google. I'll do another video to help you get started step by step, but you can check that video out first before we come with a new video. Number 3 is tech reviews. So tech reviews, this one is for those who wants to be on the internet 24/7. If you want to be on the internet and learn about the internet and start teaching people how some of the applications and some of the websites and the AI tools work, then you can go to the tech review field. So you can create a YouTube channel showing people how to use a particular app to make money online, or how they can use a software to promote their business, or use an AI tool that can help them to reduce the stress they've been going through. So all this one is what we call tech reviews. So you can go to this space, learn about how you can use the tech review, idea to actually start making money for yourself. I believe this one is one very powerful, method that Tech in Tree and most of the YouTubers have been using here in Ghana. So idea number 4 is dropshipping. So dropshipping is basically you not having a product, but other people have a product or someone has a product, and you brand yourself as if that product is for you. So what people do is that they go to a particular platform like gg.com and brand themselves as if this particular product, which is for someone, is theirs. So they'll wait until they get order. If they get order, then they'll go in for the product from the person and give it to whoever wants to buy it. Sometimes you can do promotions, use ads to promote the product and order. So whenever you are getting sales, you have to go in for the product and send it to the person. If the supplier is trusted, the person you are taking it from is trusted, you can just connect the two of them so that they'll be doing their thing and you also be making profit from here. So basically, that's what dropshipping is all about. At first, you would think that, for instance, like me, I was thinking that dropshipping, so you have to order the thing from outside for people and all that. But now there are a lot of people who are shipping stuff in here. So you can take advantage of that and start your dropshipping in Ghana here. No, you don't need US, you don't need Canada and all that to start your dropshipping stuff. So number 5 is digital products. So if most of us hear about some of these things, we get scared. Digital products simply means online products, stuff that you can actually touch or feel, but they are actually existing and they'll be helping people to make money. So an example is online courses. So if you are someone who knows how to edit videos, if you have been watching Facebook, if you have been going through Facebook, sometimes you'll be there and someone will come and say, if you want to know how to make paint, I've created a step-by-step tutorial for you. If you want to know how to edit videos, I've made a step-by-step tutorials for you. These are all online courses, and these online courses are all digital products. Another form of digital product is ebook. So someone will write an ebook. For instance, someone can write a history about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah for what? For kids. Then they'll make it very nicely and sell in the PDF form. Even though these products are not with you right now, still they can be making you money. So another form of the PDF can be like ebook. So ebook is also just on the internet and people can just go there and read on Amazon or other publishing platforms. So basically that's what digital product is all about. So leave your comment if you don't understand something. I'll be answering you in the comment section below. Now, before I move to the next point, digital products shouldn't be something that should always involve tech, okay? It shouldn't always involve technology. It's not everyone that is good in technology. But if you're someone who is a seamstress, or even if you know how to cook kenke, if you know how to cook wache, there are people out there who want to learn how to cook kenke, how to cook wache. Like for instance, in like Ghanaians in the diaspora, maybe someone will just be curious to just see how to cook wache, how to cook kenke and all that. So you can create a short course that can help people to do that. So once people are buying the course, you'll be making money from there. So I believe you understand this. So the 6th one we'll talk about is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is basically you being a middleman, referring people to a particular product or service. But this time around, you are not doing it physical like how we do it in the offline space. We get customers to, companies and get commission and all that. This one, you are not going to touch the product at all. All you do is to, refer people to a particular platform using a link. So for instance, if a company is selling this product and I am the marketer, what I'll do is to go to the company's website and see the links that they've given to people, like to marketers like me, to go and promote. So anytime I promote the link and someone click on the link to come and buy this, I'll get some commission. So basically, that's what affiliate marketing is all about. So if you have been watching tech YouTubers or finance YouTubers, in most cases, what you do is that if we talk about a particular product or service we sometimes leave the link to that particular product in the comment section, and we ask you to click on the link and go there and take the action there. If you want to be successful in this business, it's difficult, but sometimes people say it's easy. Those who say it's easy are those who build, followers. If you don't have followers, you can't be successful in this business. So for you to build followers, you need to have a website, or you need to have a Facebook page. You need to build at least social media following, so that you can promote your link to them. If not, there's no way you can be successful in this business. Sometimes people have been using Quora. Quora is one platform that allows people to answer questions. So people go there. For instance, if someone asks a question in Quora like, where can I get a phone stand or a phone tripod or something like that? If you have a link to this particular one, you can go and send it to the person. You can send the link to the person for the person to come and buy this one for you to make a commission. But that one is not sustainable. You can't be doing it for a very long time, because it's Quora, not you. It's not your followers. Anybody at all can answer that person and make the sales. But if you are in charge of the followers, like for instance, I'm in charge of this Facebook subscribers, or in charge of anyone who subscribes to the YouTube channel here. So I can decide to put a link in the description below and ask people to go and click on the link and buy this. So guys, you need audience. If not, you can't make any sales in affiliate marketing. So guys, that's one thing you need to know. So to the very last one on my list, which is point number 7, is trading. So guys, trading is also another way that you can use to make money online. It can be forex trading, it can be stock trading, it can also be cryptocurrency trading. But for you to go into this, I would say it's an advanced way of making money online, and you need to learn well before you go into this. If not, you lose all your money, because as for trading, you have to go into trading with money. So guys, these are some of the ways you can make money on the internet. So let's say some of you would like to trade, but you don't have money right now. How can you get some money to start trading? I did a video about how to make money on Facebook, and that one is a simple way that I have personally been using. You can also use it so that you can be getting some money to go into trading or to invest into other things. You can check that video out. It's the video I did before this particular one. I believe it will be helpful to you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I believe this particular video has been